Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Perceptron Career. So, in this YouTube channel, basically, we cover a lot of things related to the field of AI. And in this particular YouTube video, what I'll be doing is that I'll be telling you about our field or our platform, Perceptron Career, and what are the various services or various tools that we provide to all our audiences, and what are the key important features that is differentiating us from the other market. Okay, so let us begin. So the name of the platform is very clear, Perceptron Career, and we go by the tagline called your ultimate guide to ace AI interviews. So in this YouTube channel or on this platform or on the website, we provide mentorship for AI interviews. So all the tools that are required for cracking the interview is there, and we provide that to all our audience. So let's dive a bit deep and understand the platform and about our services. So about us, we are a platform that provides top-notch content so that you can land your dream job in the field of AI. As you know, there'll be a lot of job openings in the field of AI, and a lot of students are confused like what do we study for the interview. They know the coding part, they have implemented the projects as well, but when it comes to interview, the industry requirements are a bit different. So the company that is coming for the placement will be basically eyeing on those requirements, so will be helping you to achieve those requirements. Okay, so in simple words, we are a placement mentorship platform, and we provide mentorship to all the students who are in their final sem, or they are looking for an internship, or if they want to switch domain from one domain to another. For example, they were in IT and now they want to dive into a specific IT domain called AI. So we'll be helping you with that. So what are the services we provide? The very first service is one-on-one mock interview. So a mock interview session, a live session will be carried out with you with our mentors, and we'll be trying to see your knowledge, how you respond, how you speak, how you make your resume, how you present yourself basically. And after the interview gets over, we'll be giving you feedback on that. And the next thing is the resume building. As you know, resume is like you're setting the question paper for your interview. So if you get this right, majority of the time will end up clearing your interview. So this is the most important part for the placement, building the resume. It's like the setting the question paper for your own test. So it's an easy task, yet it confuses a lot of people how to go about building the resume. So we'll be helping you with that as well. So the next service we provide is the AI crash course. And what is this AI crash course? Basically, this is specifically designed from the. I'm really sorry, I made a mess over here, so I'll just clear this out. Then we can. Okay. So in this AI crash course, what we do is basically for the interview part. So it is specifically designed for the interview, from the very basic of understanding AI to the Gen AI part. We'll be covering all that from the interview point of view. What are the important topics? How you should answer that? Basically, we'll be uh, building the knowledge in such a way that you are prepared for the interview. We'll be solving your doubts. We'll be taking up questions that were asked in previous interviews. We have all that created, and then we'll be guiding you on that. The last and most interesting part is the customized mentorship. If you want a one-to-one customized mentorship with us, for example, you are preparing for a very specific role that requires specific guidance. For example, you need GD preparation tips and GD practices. If you want to make specific projects with us and you're not sure how to make those projects, so basically we'll be helping with that as well. So everything, it will be a one-to-one mentorship throughout from the beginning till the end of the interview. We'll be providing you with the mentorship. So now talking about the key features. So the very first key feature, important key feature, is that all the mentors are ex-IITians. So they have a very huge experience in the field of mentorship. They have taken a lot of interviews in the field of AI and they have mentored a lot of students. So they know exactly what to do and what are the things required to ace your interviews. The next thing is the live classes. All the classes are live classes. There are no pre-recorded sessions. The classes are live. Okay. So now the coming to the medium of instruction. So it will be both in Hindi and English. If the audience is comfortable with Hindi will be going with Hindi. And if the audience is comfortable with English, we'll be taking the session in English. So if this is clear, now let's get I'll take you to our website and I'll show how you can book a session with us. So this is our website. The link is perceptroncareer.in and it will be mentioned in the description box below. So this is the home page and there are various pages like about us section, the services and the blog section. So in this home page section, you can come to this part, the current events, and you can have a look at all those services that we are currently providing. One is the resume building session, one mock interview, and the AI crash course. Now you'll be having a doubt like what are the complete details of this? How you conduct the session on resume building or the interview or the crash course. So for that you can directly click over here book now or you can go to the services page of our platform and then you can see over here the mock interview. The price is mentioned. So the mock interview is for 1 hour, in which the first 45 minutes is the interview, technical plus HR, followed by a feedback round where we tell you about your strengths, your points that you need to improve on. So that is about the mock interview. This is a live Google Meet interview session. The next is the AI crash course, and this is the main service that we provide on our platform. So this is starting on 20th June, then the next month. So you can apply and book your seats now. So the complete syllabus is mentioned down below. The complete content or the syllabus that we'll be covering. This is just the structural part. All those final details are not mentioned. Like for example, if we talk about the machine learning topic. So all those machine learning regression part, classification part, clustering algorithms, all algorithms will be covered. What are the hyperparameters for this? How do you implement this? Like everything, how do you understand this? From the interview point of view, it is covered very nicely. Then we'll be diving into the deep learning part, ANN, CNN, RNN, LSTM, GRU, and we'll be also covering NLP and generative AI. So this is about the AI crash course. Similarly, resume building, which is the very important part of any interview, is the resume, how you build a resume. So our experts mentor They will guide you to how to build your resume based on what projects you have done, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses. Based on that, what are the job profiles you are looking for that. So based on different job profiles, the resume is different. So how to change those aspects, we'll be covering that. And at the end of this session, you will have a perfect resume and you will have all the knowledge how to change this resume based on a given circumstances. For example, from a machine learning interview, now you want to appear for an interview which is for ML ops. So how do you change those projects skills for the ML ops part? So we'll be covering that. And in this custom options, you can just drop us a mail on this part, like what are your requirements, and we'll be replying you back with like how we can start off, what is the pricing and all. So all these can be done. So how do you book a session with us? Simply just uh, pay the required fees for the course, put your name, email address, select the course which you have opted for, enter the transaction ID over here, and submit button. Click on the submit button. It's very simple. And for the customer options, once we have given you the pricing and all the details that you required, so you can, after that, we'll be guiding you on the email how do you go about paying the fee, course fees. And for the custom option, I'll just like to tell you a bit more. Over here, just drop us an email in simple words, what do you require? And we'll be replying back to you. So like whatever comes to your mind, like what are your requirements? I want a customized resume for this. I also want a mock interview, crash course. I want a session or guidance on group discussion, how I select those projects, how I build those projects for a specific role, and everything. How do you prepare for aptitude? How do you prepare for certain specific interview rounds or for a very specific company? The requirements are different. If you want mentorship for those things or whatever comes into your mind, just please don't hesitate to ping us on this email ID with all your requirements and we'll be uh, replying back to you. So, if this is all clear, I hope you understood what do we do. So, please feel free to check out our website or you can directly ping us with your doubts or if you have any questions, you can just directly ping us and we'll be replying very rapidly to you. And yeah, I hope this session is clear. All the best for your interviews. I hope you connect with us and we'll make sure that you clear your interviews. So, bye bye. And for all those free content on YouTube, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Forward, share this video. Thank you so much.